13 green vegetables that remove toxins from the body. We are blessed with some best vegetables for blood purification. They are low in calories and fat. At the same time they are high in antioxidants, protein, dietary fiber, iron, calcium, vitamins and minerals. Body detoxification means removing toxic substances from your blood and body tissues. It is very important to remove harmful toxins from the body that are built up and accumulated from a long time. Your body can't function properly without being purified or detoxed. The harmful chemical substances accumulated in your blood can cause many health problems. A body healthy from the inside will be beautiful on the outside. You will have good skin and hair if you are healthy within. It is very important to pay attention to your body chemical buildup and remove it from your body. You are always asked to drink water so that the waste products from the body are excreted. However, there are some effective detoxifying green vegetables that will also rapidly cleanse your body. They are the best blood purifying vegetables. Detox has many benefits such as improving the digestive process, increasing stamina, energizing the body and much more. Body detox helps in maintaining good health, vitality and good looks. 1. Kale. It helps to flush out toxins through the kidneys in the form of urine. It is good for people with kidney diseases. It's packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals and has anti-inflammatory properties as well. 2. Cabbage. It is one of the best vegetables for cleansing. It detoxifies the liver and is good for skin health. Its bitterness stimulates the secretion of gastric juices to digest food more effectively. It is also a mild diuretic, increases urine flow. It is rich in fiber and promotes bowel regularity. You can wrap its leaves and fill it with rice, beans or other vegetables. You can also have the leaves with salad or make a juice of its leaves. It is one of the best vegetables for a cleanse. 3. Lettuce. It is also among the best blood purifying vegetables. Lettuce increases the flow and frequency of urine diuretic effect. Its watery nature helps flush toxins from the body. Add fresh leaves to salads or smoothies. 4. Broccoli. It stimulates the secretion of enzymes in your liver which convert toxins into less toxic products. These products are easily excreted from your body. Therefore broccoli is a must-have vegetable for body purification. 5. Asparagus. It not only detoxifies the body but also protects from cancer. It has anti-aging effects too. It helps your heart to stay healthy, and is a general anti-inflammatory food. Asparagus can be considered as the best herb that purifies the blood. It helps the liver in filtering out the toxic materials in the food and drinks we consume. 6. Dandelion leaves. It increases urine flow and thereby facilitates the excretion of toxins from the blood as a diuretic. It also cleanses liver. It helps relieve inflammation and congestion of the liver and gallbladder. It's also a natural source of potassium, which makes it a safe and gentle diuretic. Potassium is also good for the heart. Both fresh and dried parts of the plants can be used. You can make a tea of its leaves or have them with salad. Dandelion is among the best vegetables for blood purification. 7. Nettle. Nettle is used to purify the blood and treat urinary tract infections. It has a diuretic effect and keeps water flowing through the kidneys and bladder, washing germs and toxins away. It is rich in iron which is beneficial for people suffering from anemia. The iron content also makes it a great blood builder. You can make a tea of its dry or fresh leaves which has a great detoxifying effect. 8. Chicory. It is one of the best vegetables for blood purification. It is a natural diuretic and mildly laxative used for constipation. It is also rich in dietary fiber which helps to remove toxins from the blood and tissues. Add it raw and fresh to salads or smoothies. You can also fill the curved shape of the leaves with different toppings or stuffing made of rice and vegetables. 9. Watercress. It is one of the best herbs that purifies blood. It's rich in sulfur, which aids protein absorption, blood purification, cell building, and promotes healthy skin and hair. You can add watercress to salads to detox and boost clear skin and body. 10. Lemongrass. This is a herb that is used as a natural remedy to cleanse several organs at once. It not only helps the liver in cleaning your body, but also aids the kidneys, bladder, and the entire digestive tract. You can make its tea for detoxing the body. 11. Seaweed. Seaweed is rich in nutrients and antioxidants. They are very effective in purifying your body. They are mostly used in Asian cuisine and can be found in soups. That's a great way to have it when you are using it for detoxing the body. It makes the seaweed easier to digest and it tastes good too. 12. Wheatgrass. It is one of the best body cleansing foods. It helps liver in removing toxins from your body. It neutralizes the acidity of blood. It's also effective in lowering your blood sugar and for getting your metabolism back on track. 13. Artichokes. It increases the production of bile juice in your liver and thereby helps in removing toxins from the body. It's also filled with fiber, protein, magnesium, folate, and potassium. It's simply a good food to add to your diet in order to stay healthy and keep your liver properly doing its job.